Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to show some small demo in Simul IDE, how to make the simulations and working with hex files. So actually you will see this is the circuit diagram. As you can see, it was changed a little bit because we have used three more switches here to be more interesting, and to do some more actions with these interrupts. And we removed four wires here and just connected to the port E to working with the last four switches as well. So let's get started. First of all, we need to load firmware. This is the hex file just we have obtained after debugging our C code file. Here you will see, and we need to find the location of the hex file, but by default in my laptop it's here, as you know. Yes, and then we need to press this button that's used for power the circuit. Yes, we are Team Arduino, and this is the project about digital alarm clock from embedded system. So in this project we need to make three modes for digital alarm clock. So let me explain how this interrupt works actually. In our project we use the last switch for reset the project. So if you press the last switch, you will see LCD will reset all the message, let's say just characters on the LCD. You will see if you press this one, you will see the project is reset. Again, our team name, the project about digital alarm clock. So the first task in this project to show the time display. If you press just this button, the LCD will show this message: select mode, select mode, select mode. But it will show this message until any interrupt are pressed. So if you press the second button here, we will see the normal time display. Oh, pretty awesome. Here you will see the time. But this is a small project, that's why me just here the year, month, just day as well as the weekday, and here time. You may have a question why the time is different, because LCD is getting this data, let's say the current time from my laptop. That's why if you want to make your own normal time display, you can develop your own code at Atmega Studio and launch it here to see your desired outputs. So it's working fine, but here the year, dates, all the weekdays, date is static, all the time is not static because time is continuous, right? So another task is the setting the alarm clock. How we gonna do that? First of all, we need to press this button, the reset button again, and then this button that's close to reset button, and alarm setup. It's showing it's splitting the time to alarm. We need to wait a few seconds. So yes, right here we can here set the alarm. So if we press this button again, the second counter, the second counter is changing. Right here, the counter is increasing. But if we press this button, the minus counter will be increased here. Here, this one increasing, right? But in this project, we made the modifications only just for minute and second counters, because if if we change the hour as well for alarm, we need to make more. This is the small project, the time is limited, For this reason, we are changing the minute and second as well. So this is the how to set the alarm. The function. Let's say the functionalities to set up the alarm, minutes and seconds, and then we will show some small alarm example here. Just reset the project again, and let's say, and press this button again. Alarm setup. It's blinking. We need to set the time to alarm, and then just change the seconds. Let's say just 14 seconds, because we can change the minute as well, because if we change this one we need to make more. Just let's make it just only change the seconds. So we have also, this is for the minute. Let's no need to change the minute. Let's say that we have also developed some function for state of alarm. What will happen? Let's make it on, and to see the alarm set, we need to press this third button. Alarm is set. Here alarm is on. The time is going. Just we set the alarm 12:00:14, right? Time is going. What will happen if they two just time is equal? What will happen? We will see the result. Oh, the time is equal. The LCD will be displaying this message. It's showing this message. Just get up for the user. Give some notification. It's blinking, and after some time, LEDs will start blinking. Yeah, right here. This is how actually the alarm function works in the digital alarm clock. What will happen if we change the state of alarm? So launch the project again, and digital alarm clock project, and set the time for alarm. Just change the seconds, let's say 12 seconds, and just state the previous example we made on, but let's make it off. What will happen? Alarm is set, so we set the time, but here the state of alarm is off. What will happen? Let's check. Here, they are equal, but we are not getting the message like get up or any kind of LED blinking. So it was the case of the off state of alarm. So we also made some tricky stuff here for alarm state. So digital alarm project, and alarm setup, time to alarm. But in this example, we are going to show how we can change the state of alarm. So let's make like 10 seconds, and let's make it off. And here, using this button, we can also change the status from off to on. Here alarm is set, but here you will see alarm is off, but we can press this button again to change the state of alarm. Let's make it sorry, we need to press this button. Let's make it on. Here it's changed it, right? So because this button for set the alarm, but this button for changing the state of alarm, here, but it was off, but we changed the state to on, but they are equal. By using this button, we can change the state of alarm. If we are here in this state, LEDs are blinking, It's working pretty cool, right? So reset the project. So next example will be uh, about stopwatch. If we press this button, you will see this message stopwatch. Yeah, stopwatch is working after some delay. If we press this button again, what will happen then? Yes, it stops because the counter is going really fast because the resolution won by 100. If you want to make reset, we need to press this one again. It will stop from the beginning, right? I mean, from the beginning means like from zero it will count. So if we press again this one, it will stop. And if you press again, it will start from the beginning. Like just reset mode like for stopwatch. So this is the end of our small demo. Just enjoy. Have a nice day.